Hey guys, today's video is about the carmate Jimny Power Supply Adapter. Essentially gonna review it and installation. So let's unbox it. Awesome guys, so this is what you get in the box. You get a instruction manual, but it's in Japanese. That's alright. This is what you're getting. It will fit this way, and as you can see, it's got two spare sockets and two USB ports. Looks like it's held on with double-sided tape at the top and at the back, and also the socket. So it looks like it's held on with that. That's a light there, but there's no switch, so I'm not sure. It's probably turned on all the time, full time. I'm gonna have to check. I hope the illumination light is the same as the factory Jimny illumination, so everything matches. And that's a 10 amp fuse. I'm assuming it's for safety, but let's go ahead and install it, and let's see if it actually has that factory look. So the first thing we're gonna do is clean the area where the double-sided tape is going to go. Open this. Push it in. So we'll just use this cover to seal the 10 amp fuse, and yeah, it looks really good guys. I mean, it looks complete like it's factory. The material seems to be the same. The gear seems to be fine. Doesn't come in the way. The storage wise here is reduced slightly, but it's alright. You can still put things in there, so that's alright. I can confirm that the light from the power supply adapter is the same as the interior Jimny center console lights, so it matches perfectly like factory. And subscribe guys, because I will be putting up more Jimny videos very shortly, and thank you for watching.